Welcome to today's video on CISA Domain 3, Information Systems Acquisition, Development, and Implementation, based on the updated 28th edition. If you're preparing for the CISA exam, these 8 scenario-based questions will help you master real-world auditing situations. Let's dive right in. Question 1. Agile Sprint Review Risk. An organization uses Agile for software development. During a sprint review, the product owner approves features without evidence of security testing. What should the IS auditor do? A. Accept that Agile does not require security testing per sprint. B. Report the gap in sprint documentation. C. Recommend integrating security checks into the sprint cycle. D. Escalate the issue to executive management. Correct answer, C. Agile methodologies like DevOps require security testing in every sprint. The best control is to integrate security early and continuously. Question 2. DevOps Pipeline Control. During a DevOps audit, the auditor finds that code can be pushed from development to production without a formal review. What's the primary concern? A project may miss deadlines. B. Logs may not be stored. C. Lack of separation of duties. D. Developers may reuse old code. Correct answer, C. Even in automated environments, controls must enforce separation of duties to prevent unauthorized changes. Question 3. SaaS Vendor Backup Risk. An enterprise moves to a SaaS-based ERP and relies entirely on the vendor for data backups. What is the biggest risk? A. Data backups may not be encrypted. B. Backups may not align with RTO and RPO. C. On-premises backup costs will rise. D. SaaS solutions don't need backups. Correct answer, B. Business continuity requires that backup frequency meets recovery objectives, not just vendor defaults. Question 4. Post-implementation review. A core HR system has just been deployed. Which action should the IS auditor recommend in the post-implementation review? A. Remove developer access to production. B. Create end-user training manuals. C. Perform a cost-benefit analysis. D. Rerun QA test cases. Correct answer, C. A post-implementation review should confirm that the system provides expected business value and return on investment. Question 5. AI System Development. An AI tool is being developed to classify sensitive documents. What should the IS auditor prioritize? A. Whether it uses deep learning. B. Whether the model is explainable and auditable. C. How frequently the model is retrained. D. The volume of training data. Correct answer, B. AI in audit requires transparency. The auditor must ensure model decisions can be explained and verified. Question 6. Cloud migration risks. An organization migrates its legacy CRM to a cloud platform and reuses old configuration templates. What's the biggest risk? A. The system may not scale well. B. Users may need retraining. C. Legacy vulnerabilities may be transferred. D. Project timelines may extend. Using old configurations in a new environment may carry forward security vulnerabilities that should have been remediated. Question 7. Integration testing oversight. A payment API was added to an e-commerce platform, but integration testing was skipped. What's the most likely risk? A. Increased infrastructure cost. B. Inaccurate analytics. C. Transaction failure due to system incompatibility. D. UI bugs. Correct answer, C. Skipping integration testing can lead to serious communication failures between systems, especially with financial APIs. Question 8. Secure coding practice. During a code review, the auditor finds hard-coded credentials in the source code. What's the best recommendation? A. Store credentials in environment variables or a secure vault. B. Encrypt the credentials in code. C. Restrict access to the codebase. D. Change developer permissions. Correct answer, A. hard-coded credentials are a serious vulnerability. They must be externalized into secure storage like vaults or config tools. Thanks for watching. These questions are built to match real CISA exam standards and the new 28th edition focus. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, comment your score below, and subscribe for more CISA prep content. Good luck and audit smart.